The biggest problem in your life is that you seek dignity and value centered on yourself and based on this earthly world where people, including you, are a mixture of good and evil nature. No one has only the true nature completely which exists in you and with which alone I created you. Any parent eventually desires to wash and clean his child however dirty he is with mud and dust. Your spiritual dirt covers your spiritual essence in depth, but it is not the whole of yourselves for me. It is not what determines your value and identity for me. If you think that you can come to me only if you are perfect, if you suffer from being made to feel like a sinner by religions, and stay away from me because of that, in the end, that is what Satan wants you to be live and become. True religion is a direct relationship with me, and it is the one that starts from a deep and sincere heart in you. From me will always start a parental impulse of heart and love toward each of you. You will always be worthy of my love and care, but you must make this awareness your own, and no religion can help you completely in this. Do you ever think that your child is unworthy of your love because he is not living according to your expectations and desires? In my eyes, there are no more important or less important children. There are no religious or spiritual hierarchies. Everyone in their heart can and should feel free to communicate directly with me, and everyone is important and precious to me. Your spiritual heart to me is the treasure of treasures. I look at spiritual beauty that yours and any person's heart can express once spiritually cleansed. The sin of separation from me is the greatest sin you can commit. It is up to you to overcome it by opening your heart to me freely and communicating with me daily. That is why Jesus said, unless you become like children, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Means overcoming the sin of separation from me means being free in mind and especially in heart spiritually.